Hi guys, welcome to Cricket Analysis. I'm Rohit and here's my friend Rahul. So here we are going to have a different and funny cricketing conversations.
Yeah, our first episode will be on IPL retention and auction strategy of defending champions Mumbai Indians. So let's get into it.
So how the squad looks this time for the 2021 IPL before the auction. Here we can see the core remains the same as we have the playing 11 as the same. They are continuing this time also. There are not that many changes going to be this time. We can see only some one or two in and out players. So what you say, Rahul?
Yeah, what you said is absolutely right. So they have their core strength remain intact. So they have this most of their playing 11 same. They just need some pace bowlers to back up for Trent Bolt and also some overseas options because they only have four overseas options, and also
Yeah,
they need some spinners to have some strength to add some strength to their existing lineup.
there is a clear need of a specialist spinner we can see as they have
Yeah,
Krunal Pandya and Rahul Chahar, but they are not pure spin bowling options.
yeah, yeah,
And we can also see the core of this domestic Indian team is it's good, I guess. We
yeah. Their
have
domestic
Surya
strength
Kumar
is very
Yadav.
good. Like we can also say that it's the best domestic. They have the best bench strength in the IPL.
Yeah,
Yeah. Now let us have a look on their release players. They released five overseas and two domestic players. Out of those five overseas, four are out and out bowlers. And Nathan Coulter can also bat a little bit. Shenford Thornford is an all-rounder. So, what your views on this, Rohit?
yeah, we can see they have released Lasit Malinga. I think in the past one time also they have released Lasit Malinga, but again he has played, I guess.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
even worked in what was that in the year he worked as an coaching staff, I guess.
2009, 2018, I think so. He worked as a coaching staff, and then 2019 he came back as a bowler.
Yeah, Malinga and Mumbai Indians are never-ending
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
relationships, I guess.
Never-ending relationships. Yeah,
and and anything can happen in IPL. Even the coach can turn into a player, and player can turn into a coach.
and also the former Mumbai Indians player, this Parthy Patel also joined in Mumbai Indians as talent scout
Oh,
for this IPL season.
once we'll see how much purse they have left in their bag and how many slots they have to fill. They are having around 15.35 crores, and there are seven slots available, and in that four are overseas. And that four overseas players, I think at least they have to fill three uh,
Yeah,
to
Rohit, like
in the.
yeah, if you look their original squad with four overseas, Chris Lynn might not be a regular starter in the playing 11. So yeah, as you said, like they're compulsorily in need of three overseas options. They need to buy at least
Yeah,
three.
yeah, to continue in the tournament, they need at least three overseas players to fill this option.
Also, if you look at this
So who are
price remaining, like it's not that much easy to have four or three overseas options with 15 crores bag as some other teams have high purse in their bags, so they might target most of the
yeah, they
players.
might not uh, get the players whom they have targeted, I guess. But
Yeah, yeah,
looking in the price point, they can have some players who might be interesting to see in this Mumbai jersey, I guess.
yeah.
So
I have
whom you are
also
interested to see in Mumbai jersey, Rahul?
means like I have thought about that, and I have like listed out some players based on the price they have. Means based on the purchase they have because they can't buy Mitchell Stark with this price. So I have listed out some
Yeah,
players. So let's see.
yeah. If Mitchell Stark makes him available this auction, I think he might be the one of the biggest buys,
Yeah,
beating
yeah,
Pat
yeah.
Cummins maybe.
Yeah, maybe there's a chance because Punjab and Rajasthan have huge purse left in them. Maybe they target him, and also even RCB. He's a former RCB player.
What? Yeah, and even
Even
Punjab, they
RCB
have
might
an
target. Yeah,
huge. Yeah, in Punjab, they are almost having an 50 crore.
yeah, 50 crore plus. It's very huge. And also,
Yeah,
their most of their
so
playing loan is sorted Punjab. Yeah. Now we'll to this Mumbai auction
yeah, we'll
strategy.
talk on this Mumbai.
So if you look the players released, they have released four bowlers, four pace overseas bowlers. So they might buy at least two pace bowlers. I am thinking like that. So it may be possible, it may not be possible, but at least one they will buy. So based
Yeah,
on the
they
price, I
need
have
to
listed
back
out
up.
some. Yeah,
They
based
need a
on the price,
backup
I
for Trent Bolt at least.
yeah. Based on the price, I listed some players. Scott Cook is one player to look out for. He's also in fine form in Super Smash series and also in New Zealand versus West Indies series. And he's also
Yeah, I
have an
think
experience in the IPL.
he played for Chennai, I guess.
Yeah. And
Yeah, so what are,
another name is Adam Milne. Like he came to the cricket after 1.5 year break with two surgeries back to back, and also he's working with Shane Bond in BBL at Sydney Thunder, I think so. And he's also the bowling coach of Mumbai
yeah,
Indians.
Shane Bond is also bowling coach of Mumbai, right? So we can see the combination of Adam Mill and Shane Bond in
Yeah,
BBL
New
as well as in
Zealand.
IPL.
Yeah, it also New Zealand bonding.
Yeah, Kiwis in the IPL.
Yeah. And also one of
And
the other option is Mustafizur, the Fizz.
yeah, our Bengal Tiger.
Yeah. He played
Maybe
for Mumbai
at
already.
least the BCB should allow him to play, I guess, or
Yeah.
else
We might have to wait
and
to know that because
yeah,
BCB is
still
too safe about Mustafizur. Yeah,
yeah, he's prone to injuries very soon, I
yeah,
guess.
yeah. And other options are Sonobot and Billy Stanley. They have like they can get them under less price when compared to Mitchell Stark, Jai Richardson. Jai Richardson is also an option, but they might not get because he might have a heavy
Yeah,
price tag because he's the leading wicket taker of BBL right now.
yeah, he might also go touch the high prices of IPL auction.
Yeah.
And Billy Shanlek could be an interesting buy, I guess. After being released by Sunrisers Hyderabad, he was a excellent bowler with the height he's having, the length
Yeah.
he bowls. I think
And
it's
also
quite
he can
impressive.
hit the deck hard. Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes he had hit that four on Mumbai Indians only.
Yeah.
That made SRH think.
Yeah.
and and
And
other
also if they
they
want to
might
buy
even
some Indian players, they
yeah
have Umesh Yadav and Ankit Rajput to
yeah I
strengthen
think
the attack to back up for Bumrah. They also have Dhaval Kulkarni in the roster, but maybe they'll see whether they might
yeah
go for
if
an Indian player.
Hardik Pandya bowls, they might not have that many problems with bowling options. But
Yeah.
if he doesn't bowl, then they might have they need one domestic bowler, I guess. Ankit
Yeah.
Rajput will fit into it perfectly, I guess.
Yeah. So my picks are Mustafizur, Ankit Rajput, Scott Coughlin, and Ben Cutting. Yeah, Ben Cutting is a perfect all-rounder replacement for Pollard because he is the at present he's in fine form with a bat and also chip in with 2 overs if needed,
Uh,
and also gun fielder.
and yeah, we have seen him in IPL winning the Sunrisers. He was a crucial part, I think. And he even
Yeah,
played after that Mumbai Indians, right?
yeah.
Yeah, they have
2000.
released in 2020, I guess.
Yeah. And also there's
So
another news like Mumbai Indians called an 16-year-old Nagaland spinner Krevetzo Kens for trials. So we might have to
oh,
wait and see whether maybe we can see him in
yeah,
blue.
he's a maybe because I hope he comes into blue because we haven't seen that many Northeast players coming to IPL.
Yeah.
So
He,
at
he
least they
might be
should
the
give
first, if
chance.
I'm not wrong, he might be the first Northeast player to play in the IPL.
Yeah, might be.
Yeah. Now let's get into some spin options,
Yeah.
overseas and Indian spin options.
Okay. They have plenty of options, but little purse.
Yeah. Now Isso, the New Zealand spinner, he also served in the coaching staff of Rajasthan Royals in on at 1 year.
uh,
So he might be available in the
after
auction
being
this time. even serving as a coaching staff.
Yeah, Shane Warne has done that in the past also.
Yeah, yeah. Adil
And
Rashid, one leg spinner. He's also like might participate in the
yeah, he's
IPL this
also
time.
a good fast spinning bowler, I guess.
Yeah.
He can spin the ball as well as he will have some pace also at the time.
And he
And
also has the ability to pick wickets. Yeah.
yeah, it might be an important asset to him. So Mumbai, they can think of this option.
Yeah.
And what about our another Afghan Jalebi, Mujibur Rahman?
Yeah. Yeah.
I think after they were at the back of Rashid Khan for so many times. Even in one
Yeah.
auction, we have seen that
Yeah.
there
Yeah.
were some trade news also coming from SRH team that they have been asking Rashid. So they
Hmm.
might be keen in taking Mujibur Rahman this time, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah. He's also a misery spinner, and he's also in
Yeah,
fine form. So we might see him in Mumbai.
quite
But
surprising
maybe,
to why
yeah,
the Punjab have released him.
yeah.
We'll see.
I think some other teams will also like will be in auction to pick Mujib. So many
Yeah,
will
there
try. I think
are.
so.
Yeah, surely because he was well performing in the IPL. Maybe the last season they haven't given him that many chances, but I think
Yeah,
this time they will be.
yeah. If they want Chinaman flavor, they can pick Tarbresh Shamsi, South African guy. He's also a
Yeah,
nice
and also
option. He's also played in IPL for RCB, I think.
yeah, under Virat
Hmm.
they might be, but the chances are less, I guess.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We have to see.
And we'll
If
see.
they want some Indian spin strength, they have an experienced VS Chawla and also we
Yes,
know that
Savla.
Craig Stokens has been called for trials. We might see him. These are some two
Uh, if
options.
the, yeah, if the trials went good, he might be. We don't know how MI team strategies are.
Yeah, yeah.
And
There are also some
we
other options
even have
available.
our Harbhajan is also there in this time.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
what about him? What do you think?
Maybe they'll
Will
not pick
anyone?
him because he's not playing cricket from 2 years, I think. So after
Yeah, almost
2019 IPL,
he
he didn't
skipped
play, I
his
think so.
IPL last year.
Yeah, yeah,
Maybe we can't say.
yeah, yeah,
And Lamichana is also a good option. He's
yeah.
from
Nepal,
Nepal and
Nepal.
he's the first Nepal player to play IPL. And he
Hmm.
has done well in Delhi Capitals. We'll see
Yeah,
how the
yeah.
auction that all will be knowing on the Feb 18th. Who will be sold and who will be unsold. And so, hope you like it. This is our first video. There are many more to go. So thank you.